Going to discuss how you can convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Right? Now look at the example. The first example I will write 2 1/4. Then can you identify what is the whole number of this fraction? What is the whole number? Whole number is 2. Whole number is 2. What is the denominator? Denominator is 4. What is the numerator? Numerator is 1. Then you remember, if the denominator of the mixed number is 4, also the denominator of the improper fraction should be equal value. It is also 4. Right? If the denominator of the mixed number is 4, also the denominator of the improper fraction is 4. Same denominators containing both mixed numbers and improper fractions. Then you have to get numerator, no? Right. Now look at how you can get the numerator. Right. This is the numerator getting method of the improper fraction. Right. Carefully look at, okay. First you have to multiply denominator and whole number. Right? Denominator and whole number, first you have to multiply. First you multiply denominator and whole number. Then you can get the answer, no? Right? Then you have to add the numerator value to this answer. Right? What is the numerator getting method of the improper fraction? First you have to multiply denominator and whole number, then you can get the answer. Then you have to add numerator value to the answer. Right? Now you check how you can get it. What is the denominator? 4. Whole number is 2. First you multiply these two. 4 multiply 2. 4 multiply 2, what is the answer? 8. Then you add numerator value. What is the numerator? 1. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. What is the answer? 9. So what is the numerator? 9. 9/4. Right? What is the mixed number? 2 1/4. What is the improper fraction of it? 9/4. Can you understand? Denominators are same. Numerator, how you can get? First you multiply denominator and whole number, then you add numerator value. Okay, it is the converting method, right? Numerator getting method. Right. Now look at another example. Second example, 5 4/9. Right. Can you tell me what is the denominator of this mixed number? 9. So improper fraction denominator should be same value, no? 9. Then we have to check the numerator. How you can get the numerator? First you multiply these two values. 9 times 5. 9 multiply 5 is 45. Then you add 4 numerator value. 45 plus 4, 49. So what is the improper fraction? 49/9. Right? Okay. Look at another example. 10 5/7. Right. Denominator is 7. So improper fraction denominator same one, 7. Now we have to check the numerator. How you can get the numerator? First you multiply denominator and whole number. 7 times 10, 70. 70 plus numerator. 70 plus 5, 75. So what is the improper fraction? 75/7. Right? 75/7. Right? Who can understand now? Hands up. Right. Okay. Let's go to discuss another two examples. Look at the third one, fourth one. Fourth example, 2 7 over 8. Denominator is 8. So, improper fraction denominator should be same value, 8. Then we have to check the numerator. To get the numerator, first you have to multiply denominator and whole number. 8 multiply 2, 16. 16 plus numerator, 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7, 23. 23 over 8. Right? 23 over 8. Very easy, no? Right? Very easy. Right? This is a method, right? You have to remember. Fifth one, last one. Right? I think it is enough. 12 3 over 4. Denominator is 4. So, improper fraction denominator, same one, no? 4. 4 multiply 12, 48. 48 plus 3, 51. So, the improper fraction is 51 over 4. Right? Okay, it is the method mixed numbers convert into improper fractions. Right? Then again, we will discuss improper fractions, how you can convert into mixed numbers, right?